another circle. Okay, done. Then I'm going to select smart dimension and determine the dimension. It will be 50 millimeters, and this circle also 50 millimeters, and distance from here to here, it will be 30 millimeters, and here also from here to here also 30 millimeters. Okay, then exit it. And I can select the through wall for both sided hole. Then I'm going to select the fillet, click on this portion, okay, though this portion was not in previous slide. Control 7, you are watching it. I'm going here, select the materials, then I am select the chromium, select this chromium plate, and I can take this color for both, or I can change from here. Okay, this portion, no, I'm taking this color. Okay, done. Then I am going here and select it. You are watching. Control 8, Control 7. Thank you everybody for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share.